Hello everyone. Today we discuss about how to convert a PDF file into Excel. Uh, uh, you can see my PDF file is that. This is my PDF file. I want to convert this file into Excel. We just go into a browser. I choose Google Chrome, then search PDF to Excel converter. Enter, then go for a small PDF platform. Enter, choose file, then select the file, open, uh, wait a couple of seconds, then just click on download. File is download completed. This is the Excel file that I converted from PDF. Enable it in, you can see the file is now ready in Excel. There is the file.